we have given that V is equal 12R over, in parentheses, R plus R. Then we have to calculate capital letter of R. So let me copy our equation. We have that V is equal 12R over R plus R, because, let me put this in parentheses, we can write this in parentheses. So now what we see here, that we have R in numerator and denominator. So what we have to do first, we have to get rid of this fraction. Fraction is like division. So opposite to division is multiplication. So I will multiply both sides of our equation by R plus R. So on the left side we will have R plus R times V is equal, and now we see that R plus R will reduce with R plus R, so we have only 12R. So what else? Because in parentheses we have R, and we need to find the R, capital letter of R. So first we need to do multiplication. Every expression in parentheses we have to multiply by V. So R times V and capital letter of R by V. So we have now RV plus RV is equal 12R. What next? We need to find R. So we have expression with R on the right side and left side. So first I will move expressions with R to the, for example, to the left side, and expression without capital letter of R to the right. So we have RV, we copy, we move 12R to the left side, so was positive, so now will be negative 12R. This is equal, and RV I move to the right side, so now will be negative RV. Positive we change to negative when we move to the other side. What else we can do? We have R in first expression, in the second. This is multiplication. So we will take R before parentheses. So R will be before parentheses, and whatever left will be inside parentheses. So we have V minus 12. This is equal negative RV. What now? We need to find capital letter of R. We have multiplication to get rid of this expression in parentheses. Now we have to do division. We divide both sides by V minus 12. So now we see that V minus 12 we can reduce, and on the left side we will have only R is equal negative RV over V minus 12. What else we can do? Because sometimes we don't want to have negative sign before this whole expression in numerator, we can take down our negative sign. So what will be? RV stay in numerator, and this negative sign we take before this whole expression which we have in our denominator. So I can take V minus 12 in parentheses, and before this whole expression we have negative sign. So R we can rewrite is equal, we have RV over, and now negative sign before parentheses. So we have to, when we take down this parentheses, we have to change every sign in parentheses to opposite. When we don't have signs always positive, so positive and negative give me negative V, negative and negative, so it will be now positive 12. What else we can do? We always try to write positive number first. So in our denominator we can rewrite that this is RV, we copy 12 minus V. And this is my solution.